Hey, I wanted you to check out this game. This is the Mega Man ZX Legacy Collection. I'm a big fan of anything that's Mega Man, so this one is cool. It has Mega Man 0, 1 through 4, and then it has Mega Man ZX, and then Mega Man ZX Advent, which is like the sequel to Mega Man ZX. So if you never played Mega Man 0, the series is great. It's basically what happens after the Mega Man X series with Mega Man 0. We would Mega Man Zero. The game is called Mega Man Zero. But what happens with Zero? What happened to him after the X series? And it's pretty cool because it's more of a narrative, more of a story than the other games. The games are more kind of like, they don't have the plot is not the focus. These games, the Mega Man Zero games, are more plot focused. And then ZX and ZX Advent is what happens after Mega Man Zero, and then the series, like the story continues. I forget how many years later. It's like way into the future. So it's pretty cool, very different. It's pretty difficult too. Some of the games are pretty hard. And this is what it looks like inside. So that's the game, pretty small. So it's for Nintendo Switch. It's a lot of fun, and they have other little upgrades here that you can check out to kind of help you. Like they have like an easy mode and have galleries. They have casual scenario mode, so it's like it's a little easier. So yeah, because the Zero games can be pretty tough. So yeah, so if you're looking to enjoy more of what happened after Mega Man X, and if you like the Mega Man X, you want to know what happened with Zero and what happened to the story and all of that, and even what happened to X, you can find out in these games. So hopefully you check them out, and hope this review is helpful.